Very good evening, friends. Hope you are ready for the battle. The preparation phase is over. Now the time has come to deliver. You have your examination on 14th, which is a Valentine's Day. So hope you people are going to do great on that day. Chalo. Now don't try anything new. Whatever you have covered, just consolidate. If you have prepared short notes or formulae, if you have any formula book, just revise those and stop your preparation at 7 p.m. on 13th. Relax, keep yourself cool. Just try to sleep for about 7 to 8 hours so that your efficiency will be high on 14th. Don't read too much on the last day before the examination. Reach your examination hall well before, maybe 1.5 hours before, with all guidelines, whatever guidelines are given. Then, what are we supposed to do in the examination hall? If the paper is easy, I repeat, if the paper is easy, you may be thinking, when the paper is easy, you succeed. No. The real problem comes when the paper is easy. If the paper is easy and if you commit a single mistake, your rank may slip, not in hundreds, but by thousands. So if the paper is easy, take extra care so as to, you don't commit any mistakes. We have found some papers during this year, civil engineering paper, instrumentation paper, production paper, except ECE, whatever the feedback I got, remaining papers were average normal papers, not that tough. So we are expecting maybe on similar grounds, may not be true also. Doesn't matter whether it is tough or easy. The only mantra is stay cool. See, let us assume that the paper is easy and you have solved 20 questions on all 20 questions are correct. What would happen then? So it is with experience I am telling you. When you attempt 20 questions and all 20 are correct, slowly you slip from confidence to overconfidence level. Then you start committing silly mistakes. So even though if the paper is easy, our aim is not 20 questions. Our aim is not 40 questions. Our aim is complete 65 questions. So till 65 questions are not over, don't get excited. So if the paper is easy, maintain cool till the end of the paper. Because even a single mistake in that easy paper may cost you a lot. So during those 3 hours, try to solve coolly without thinking about any result. So I have solved 40 and 40 are correct. So my rank is going to be this. Then we start imagining in the examination hall. So please don't do that. Stay in the present. Don't think about the future. Don't think about the past. Stay in present and just focus for those 3 hours. Stay cool. That is the only mantra. Let us assume that the paper is tough. You have solved some 10 questions and you could do only 7 to 8. You could attempt only 2 to 3 questions. Out of 10, you could do only 2 to 3. Then definitely the problem starts. Because of that, you may be in a position to commit mistakes in the subsequent questions also, if you don't maintain that cool. Doesn't matter if you are not in a position to do 7 to 8 questions continuously, cool raho aap, mentally cool raho. If you are balanced, let us say you have attempted 40 questions and you could do only 15 questions. No, don't worry. Remaining 65 out of 40, you have solved only 15, let us say. Remaining 25 questions are there. Try to do it very coolly. And once the paper is over, if you are stable, if your mind is cool, you may come up with some new ideas. So please, if you are not in a position to solve 8 to 10 questions continuously, do not worry. And if you people are entering the examination hall with one intention, without gate there is no life, gate is my life, that is absolutely wrong. So believe in one principle. We have not come into this world of our own. Someone has sent. Who has sent? Almighty. If He has sent, he definitely he will take care of you. When he is taking care of you, why do you worry? सिर्फ आप मेहनत करो, सिर्फ और सिर्फ मेहनत से इज्जत बढ़ती है. So just आप genuine hard work करना, or just think that when you go to the examination hall, don't think about the result or consequences. Just go, give your best, come back. Go, give your best, come back. Don't think about the consequences. You are in the battlefield, 3 hours, you have to fight. You are not supposed to think about the result, because other people are fighting and you are thinking. So means you are not doing any work. So therefore, you will be in trouble. So if the paper is tough, be cool. If the paper is easy, be cool. The only mantra is cool, cool, cool. And in the middle, purposefully, he will give some lengthy questions. If you find some lengthy questions in the middle, just skip those questions. And please, after covering the entire paper, you can come back to those questions. Next is numerical ability type NAT fill in the blank questions. So generally, you don't have any clue of answer. Matlab, if it is MCQ, you have at least options, so that if it is wrong, you can cross check and you can do it again. But if it is a fill in the blank question, you don't have any answer. So you may be tempted to do again and again, which, I mean, you'll be wasting your time. So please do not do that. If you are coming across NAT, numerical ability, fill in the blank type questions, right from the beginning, focus. See what is he asking and what is the unit. Is he asking in centimeter? Is he asking in meter? Is he asking in mm? Is the radius asked? Is the diameter asked? Sometimes the formula may be in terms of radius, but he may be asking diameter. So all these you have to check, because simple things are always complicated in life also. Not just with preparation, in life also. So take care of those simple things, because basics are the most important tools. So if it is a fill in the blank question, just see what is he asking, what is the unit, and in the corresponding units only you have to put. Next, MSQ questions. I found that I came across that hardly he is giving 4 to 5. So it may not be that. In some papers there are no MSQs also. So don't worry much about MSQs. He may not be giving many MSQs, but mentally prepare हो जाने की worst होने वाला है. But if you see the previous papers like civil engineering, then instrumentation, MSQs are a bit less. And you know, setting MSQs, it takes a bit time, or it's not that easy. So they might have given in previous papers which we saw, civil or instrumentation, MSQs were less. So we are expecting same on those lines. So everything is in your hands. And please, the one who is mentally balanced in the examination hall, that's all. It all depends on that day. So finally, have faith in Almighty, believe in your parents, take their blessings, and even if something goes wrong, do not worry. There is life, much life beyond this particular examination. Don't think that this is the only life, this is the only life. Don't enter the examination hall with pre-stress ki yahi mera life hai. Galat hai. There is much beyond. People have lost, but still they could bounce back. So have faith in you and cool raho ant tak, end tak. Just give your best and see the units. And one more thing at the end, I'm telling you. And last, you may not be in a position to reach all questions. So my humble request is last 45 minutes or so, you scan the complete paper, so that if some questions are easy, you can attempt those questions. And finally, when you come out of the examination hall, it should not happen ki they were easy, but we have not touched those questions because of lack of time. Aisa nahi hona chahiye. So I wish you all the best from the bottom of my heart. God bless you all. Don't worry about anything. Do your work sincerely. If you do your work sincerely, you have achieved everything. Good luck to all of you. God bless you. Thank you.